In the last video, I showed you the ingredients and the cost for making a bag of 100 kg of grower feed. But getting all the ingredients first, it is very important, but still, it is half of the whole process. If you mix the ingredients wrong, some chickens will eat too much salt or premix, and others get almost nothing. You will have same bag of feed, but not the same feed for every chickens. The reason behind this is that salt, limestone, bone meal, and premix together are less than 5 kilograms out of the whole 100 kg, and that is a small amount to spread through a big pile. You have to be careful so that all ingredients mix evenly. Maize and soybean meal, on the other hand, are heavy and take up a lot of space. Salt and premix are tiny if you mix them all at once. Some handful will have too much salt and most of the pile will remain with almost nothing. I'm telling you this because one of my friend who is a broiler farmer did the same mistake. She had all the ingredients required and also measured all of them correctly. When it comes to mixing, she poured everything into one big pile. Maize, soybean, salt, premix, all at once, and mixed all of them at the same time. Guess what happened? After feeding her chickens, some chickens have more weight than others, and some were smaller than others, despite eating the same feeds. So, in this video, I want to show you step by step on how to mix these ingredients by hand. Step number 1, mix the small ingredients first. In your bucket, add 300 grams of salt, 2.5 grams of limestone, 2 kilograms of bone meal, and your premix, the amount your products tell you to use. Mix these 4 together on their own first. Why? 300 grams of salt get lost the moment you throw it into 100 kilograms of feed. There is no way to spread it evenly by hand at that size. But if you mix it into a small batch first, then mix that small batch into the big one, it is spread much better. Take your time, mix for 3 to 4 minutes, turn it and fold it well. Step 2, add the bran. Now add your 8 kg of bran into that same bucket and mix it in. Bran helps carry the small ingredients. It stops them from clumping or sinking to the bottom. Once mixed, you should not see any clumps of salt or premix. If you do, keep mixing. Step 3, lay out the big ingredients. On your tarp, spread out the 59 kg of maize and 22 kg of soybean meal. Keep it flat, don't make a tall pile. A flat layer is much easier to mix well. At all piles, trap things in the middle. Add your 6 kg of fish meal on top. Spread it across the whole layer. Step number 4, combine everything. Take your small mix, the bran, salt, limestone, bone meal, and premix, and spread it evenly over the top of the flat pile. Don't dump it in one spot. After doing all of that, now mix. Use your shovel to turn the outer edges into the middle. Do this 6 to 8 times at least. Or try this trick. Split the flat pile into 4 parts. Take a little from each part and mix a new pile. Flatten it and repeat. Either way, every part of the pile needs to move and mix. Step number 5, check your mix. Before you put the feed into the bag, take a small handful from a few spots, the middle, the edge, and the top. Feed it. Look it closely. No clumps of salt, no sticks, no dry spots, with just one ingredient. If every handful looks and feels the same, you are done. If not, mix a bit more and check again. Step number 6. Put the feed in the bag and store it. Put the feed in clean and dry bags. Store it somewhere cool and dry out of the sun. Don't place bags straight on bare ground. Use a pellet if you have one, so moisture doesn't creep in from below. So number 1, mix the small ingredient first: salt, limestone, bone meal, and premix. Number 2, add the bran and mix again. Number 3, lay out your maize, soybean, and fish meal flat. Number 4, spread the small mix on top and mix everything together well. And number 5, check a few handfuls before you bag it. Watch this next video to know the ingredients you need to make 100 kg homemade finisher feed. Thank you for watching. Like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to get more secrets like this. See you in the next video.